Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we will try to understand the CPS counseling for 2022. Okay, we will get to know about each and everything related to CPS, as in where the CPS, in which state CPS counseling is applicable, and who are the eligible candidates. Okay, when you can expect the application form to be released, which is and what is the website you can look at for the notification, eligibility criteria, counseling process, different rounds, personal rounds. Okay, and what is the fee structure, which are the MCI recognized courses for FCPS as well and CPS, and what is the scope after CPS and FCPS, what about secondary DNB, stipend, salary, and all the prospectus. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe it, because this channel has been giving the standalone support and guidance to all the PG candidates, okay, from last few years. And all the videos, all the details, information here, it's genuine, and you can go through it. There is a Telegram group also associated with this channel, and you can find the link of the Telegram group in the description, where you will find already around 16,000 candidates joined. You can also think about availing our paid guidance services, which covers the counseling guidance for INSCT, which is going on. Second round will be published on 6th of January, and the DNB, MDMS, government, private, deemed universities, NB diploma, CPS, FCPS counseling, everything, starting from the moment the application form starts until you get the seat allotted. So these are the states where you can try for CPS: Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Orissa, Chhattisgarh. Okay, particularly in this video, I will be talking mostly on Maharashtra CPS Mumbai. Okay, so in Maharashtra, the candidates who are not from Maharashtra, who do not have the domicile of Maharashtra, who didn't complete their MBBS from Maharashtra, or has no relationship with Maharashtra state anyhow, they are also eligible for CPS in Maharashtra. So what is the eligibility criteria? Okay, so for those candidates who are Maharashtra domicile, they need to have in general category, they need to have 201 marks, which is the qualifying marks for general category candidates after cut-off revision. And for reserved category candidates like SC, ST, OBC is 169. For non-Maharashtra candidates, for both reserved and open, is 201, because your category won't apply in case you are not a domicile of Maharashtra. Registration fee will be 3,000, which you need to pay when the application form is available. I will update you through the videos and on the Telegram group also regarding the availability of application form, so that you don't miss out. Documents required. Okay, so you have to have like admit card and your score card, any ID proof, okay, and your nationality certificate, okay, MBBS degree, internship completion certificate. Make sure that you have already completed your internship, and there is no relation of CPS counseling with your previous all India counseling and state level counseling. It doesn't require you to attend any counseling before attending CPS. Okay, so no other documents required which says that you must have already attended the previous counselings which happened at all India level or state level. Okay, and payment receipt of 3,000, medical fitness certificate, a certificate from head of institution showing that that institution is NMC or MCI recognized. Okay, your permanent provision registration certificate for practice. And now how the counseling rounds will go on. First of all, the website is changed for last 2 years. So you need to visit on https://www.med-edu.in. then you will find there CPS admission, and you will also able to see the notifications. Right now if you visit this website, you will see the notification for November month. Okay, so once the brochure or anything is published, you will able to find out over there. So there are 3 online rounds: first round, second round, and then cap mock round. Okay, these 3 are online rounds. So the candidate who get seat in the first round, they get option to reserve the seat and don't proceed for the next round by filling the retention form. If you haven't filled the retention form, then you can go up to mop-up round. Then the personal counseling rounds will come into picture, which is also known as stray vacancy round, because in that round you don't have to fill the options in online mode. You have to reach to the authority to attend the counseling. Okay, and this personal rounds will be many until unless, because you can think about like how long this round will go on and how many times it will happen, because for 2021 still is going on. Okay, still we have the seats, and as long as the seat is available, the personal counseling round will get conducted. And there are 3 types of seats: merit quota seat, institutional quota seat, and state government quota seat. There are 2 type of college institutions. First is government institutions and other is private institutions. So for government institutions, the candidate who are from Maharashtra, who completed from MBBS from Maharashtra, they are only eligible candidates for state government institutions or hospitals. Okay, in case you are from outside, then you are eligible for private institutions for both merit quota and institutional quota. I'll tell you like what is the tuition fee for merit quota and institutional quota. For state government institutes, the tuition fee is around 1 lakh, and then some miscellaneous fee you need to pay, which will be around like few thousands more. This is the CPS fee structure. Okay, diploma in opthal, diploma DGO, DCH, DPB, DDV, DA, and diploma in ENT. Okay, the CPS fee is 85,000 separate, and for merit quota the fee is 6 lakhs, and for institutional quota is 12 lakhs per year. For 2 years it will be 12 lakhs for merit quota, and for institutional quota is 24 lakhs. So approx in institutional quota you have to pay 25 lakhs for 2 years. The tuition fee got hiked last year. Earlier it was less. Okay. Talking about CPS fee structure. So for medicine, for every subject, merit quota fee is 7 lakhs. But for medicine and one more, dermatology, for these 2 subjects, institutional quota fee is 3 times of merit quota fee, which is 21 lakhs per year, and you have to pay for 3 years. For others is 14 lakhs, which is just double of merit quota. Okay, now recognized CPS and FCPS courses. So when I say recognized, so some of the courses which are not recognized, there are few courses which are not recognized, and for those courses if you complete, then you are eligible to practice inside Maharashtra only. That's problem. But if you come from other state, then you must be selective over the courses based on its recognition. The recognition keeps on changing, but from last few years it has been constant. And for DGO, DCH, and DPB, so these are the 2 preferred courses, DGO and DCH, and number of seats is also more in these 2 courses. And these are the top preferred courses in CPS, DGO and DCH. Okay, the tuition fee will be 6 lakhs per year for merit quota and 12 lakhs per year for institutional quota. DPB is nothing but diploma in pathology and bacteriology. FCPS is 3 years fellowship course. General medicine, general surgery, ophthalmology, OBGYN, dermatology, and pathology. These 6 FCPS courses are also recognized at all India level. And if you are from such a state where there is no CPS counseling, still you can practice in that state, because it's recognized by MCI, which is a national body. As per the last year, there were 29 government institutes, okay, and 131 private institute. Total 160 institutes participated in the counseling this year. Some of the institute which had participated last year may be removed and new may be added. So I'll update once the prospectus gets published. And what is the scope of after FCPS and CPS? So if you complete DGO or DCH in CPS, then you are eligible for secondary DNB. You have to write DNB PDCET, DNB post diploma exam, entrance exam, and then you can complete next 2 years secondary DNB, and which will be equivalent with DNB after MBBS. Okay. See, earlier the candidates who complete FCPS, they were eligible to write the final exam of DNB, but now they are not eligible for the final DNB exam or exit exam. Okay, so it's safe to do CPS, but it will be having more precise scope, or lesser scope after FCPS. So if you ask me, I recommend go for CPS, DGO and DCH blindly. And these courses, how is you compare with MD, MS? Then I would say, if you are branch centric and not able to get MD or MD pediatrics or MS OBGY, then you can go for DGO and DCH. Because after all, if the branch is more important to you, then CPS doesn't matter. And for all the recognized courses, you can practice in any state because it's recognized by MCI. Okay, these are the list of all FCPS courses. You have FCPS in medicine, surgery, OBGY, ophthalmology, pediatrics, dermatology, ENT, orthopedics, anesthesia and pathology. And which are the recognized? I already mentioned. These are CPS courses, gynecology and DGO, gynecology, TCH, pathology, dermatology, anesthesia, ENT, orthopedics, psychological medicine, radio diagnosis, TB chest, transfusion medicine, tropical medicine and health. So these are the CPS courses. I hope I covered most of the things. Okay, and if anything is left out which you wanted to know, then you can comment us in the comment section of the video, and you can also subscribe our paid counseling guidance. Okay, in case you subscribe it now, we can offer you some discount, and the benefit will be same. Okay, so that's all from my side regarding CPS and FCPS. I will keep you updated with all further updates for 2022. Thanks for watching.